At 35,000 feet, the outside world is a beautiful but deadly vacuum. The temperature has plummeted to minus 60 degrees Celsius. Below you, a massive wall of clouds hides a silent predator, supercooled water droplets. These are liquid drops that remain liquid even below freezing temperatures. The moment they strike the cold metal of a jet engine, they freeze instantly. In minutes, a masterpiece of engineering can be transformed into a jagged, useless block of ice. This isn't just a weather problem, it's a battle for survival. Welcome to the high-altitude Cold War. Why is ice so dangerous for an engine? It's not just the weight, it's the aerodynamics. Jet engines are designed to suck in massive amounts of smooth, laminar air. When ice forms on the cowl, the silver ring at the front, it creates turbulence. This disturbed air enters the fan blades unevenly, leading to a terrifying phenomenon called a compressor stall. It's the engine's version of a heart attack. If the ice breaks off and gets sucked inside, those razor-sharp titanium blades can shatter in a fraction of a second. The stakes couldn't be higher. So, how does a plane survive a frozen hell? Engineers use a brilliant concept called thermal pneumatic anti-ice. Deep inside the engine core, the air is being compressed and heated to over 200 degrees Celsius. Pilots call this bleed air. Through a series of high-pressure valves and insulated pipes, this scorching air is diverted away from the thrust-making process and sent directly to the freezing front rim of the engine. It's a literal heat shield. The engine burns its own lifeblood, its fuel, to keep its face warm enough to cut through the ice. Inside the cockpit, the battle is managed with surgical precision. Modern sensors, like ultrasonic ice detectors, alert the crew the moment the first crystal forms. But turning on the anti-ice system isn't free. It takes power away from the engines and increases fuel consumption significantly. The pilots must balance efficiency against safety. In a heavy storm, they are constantly monitoring the N1 and EGT, exhaust gas temperature gauges, ensuring the engine remains hot enough to melt the ice, but not so taxed that it loses the thrust needed to stay airborne. Next time you look out the window and see the clouds swirling around that massive engine, remember, inside that silver ring, a 200-degree storm of hot air is fighting for you. It is a perfect harmony of fire and ice, a testament to the fact that in aviation, every extreme of nature has a brilliant engineering answer. Heat isn't just energy here, it is the ultimate protector. Have you ever wondered what else is hidden inside these giants? Let's dive deeper into the world of aviation tech in the comments.